and currencies. So US dollar, Japanese yen, since it's come up first, as we've got this A, B, and I thought this two here, was it possibly in here? We didn't manage to take out this to confirm it, and we've had a C wave down. That counted nicely as complete this morning, just shy of the 764, and we got a 1, 2, 3. We need a 4, 5, pull back and up. So for those of you that aren't long already, let the 5 up complete, wait for the 3 back, and then a long entry still in US dollar, Japanese yen. But again, it's holding the pattern quite nicely in this. And if I just zoom it out for our chart, this is what we're playing for, this move up to 115.06 for the C of 3 in the diagonal. Let's come across and look at the euro. So the euro is holding the pattern down. And Greg, you did send me that Hurst chart in the forum this morning, which was interesting. But I do think in either count, whether we're coming down lower for this one, or we've got an A and this is a B back, it still needs another leg down anyway, likely to this 764 extension here to complete this part of the corrective. And then if I just take this all the way down to hourly chart, I've got this 1, 2, and then a 1, 2, or an A, B, and we're in the C. Not sure which at this point, but I've still got a third of the original short position from higher left in place, having scaled out of this, and I'll start to watch carefully as we get into the resistance zone. Cable starting to push up strongly now, so I think we've got the A of 2 and the B of 2 in, and we should be in the third of the C of 2 here. So if I just take that out to, sorry, the third of the C of the A of 2. So all of this, just zooming it out here, we've got an A, B, we should be in the 3 of this C of this A, then we get a B, then we get the C and down. Okay, so if you're trading this, it stops at the last low, you're just pushing up here. I'm personally not trading this part of this pattern in cable at this point in time. US dollar, so it's trying to hold in this zone here. 94.75 is the level I want to see it hold, and then a C up to complete all of this. If we, again, 94.08 remains the invalidation. And if we take that out, then it means that we have seen the low for at least the wave 1 in the euro, and we should be looking up in the short term rather than lower first in the euro.